Assalamu alaikum, this is Rayan and Yaman&Rayan, KKI School. It is a beautiful day. Our lesson today is place value relationships. Our objective is how I can recognize that a digit in one place has 10 times the value of the same digit in the place to its right.
Thank you, Rayan, and the solventure problem. Place value blocks are shown below for 1 and 10 and 100. What pattern in the shape and sizes of the blocks do you see? First, here we have 1 block. The next, 10 blocks. Here, 10 blocks. And the next is 100. 1, 10, 100. What is the pattern, Rayan?
Multiply by 10.
Good.
Look back. Describe two ways 110 are related.
The relationship between 110 comes from multiplication. So 100 equal 10 multiply 10. 10 multiply 10. And the second way is come from division. Do you know it, Rayan?
Yes, it is 100 divided by 10.
Yes.
Equal 10.
Good. Write a number in which the value of the 3 is 10 times greater than the value of the 3 in 135,864. First of all, he asked me about 3. So, go and find the value of 3. How I can find the value of 3? Bring the 3 down. Then, instead each digit front of 3 replaced by 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we have 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the value of 3 is 30,000. And we can do it in another way. And you can find the value of 3 by checking in which place it lives. In ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So the value of 3 is 30,000. Let's go back to question. He asked me about 10 times the value of 3, which is equal 30,000. That means 30,000 multiply 10 multiply 10. Just add 1 zero, so it's 300,000. Problem solving. What can you say about the 3's in 43,862 and 75,398? This is the first 3. And this is the second 3. How to find the value of 3 in these numbers? We bring the 3 down. Then we replace each digit in front of 3 by 0. So how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3. So the value of 3 is 3,000. 1, 2, 3. We take the first 3, what is the value of it? Let's go to the second. The same thing. First, I will count how many zeros after the value 3. 1, 2. So the value of 3 is 300. 1, 2. Then says in 4346, 1 4 is 10 times as great as the other 4. Is Van correct? Explain.
No, it is not correct.
Why?
Because now we will see the value of each 4. The first 4 is tens, so it is 40.
Yes, correct.
And the second 4 is thousands, so it is 4,000. 4,000. And 40 is, and 40, if we multiply it by 10, it will be 400. So it is 100, not 1,000. So it is wrong.
Yes, correct, Ryan.
Higher order thinking. In 448,244, how is the relationship between the first pair of fours the same as the relationship between the second pair of fours? Can you answer, Timan?
Yes. First, let's discuss the first pair of fours. The first pair of 4, it is the first 4 is 4. The second pair is 40. What is the relationship between these numbers, Ryan?
Multiply by 10.
Yes, correct. So the 40 is 10 times the 4. Let's discuss the second pair. The first 4 is 40,000. 40,000. And the second one is 400,000. 400,000. What is the relationship between these two numbers, Ryan?
Multiply by 10.
Yes, correct. The 400,000 is 10 times the 40,000. Yes, Ryan?
Yes.
Excellent. So the two pairs have the same relation.